there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of another TressAllure wig. This one's called Brianna, and the color on Brianna is English THL. Now, I know I shouldn't draw this comparison, but I will say that Brianna is very similar to the Mason wig by another brand, and that this color is very, very similar to the Iced Mocha R color from another brand. So if you are a fan of those particular styles but you think that the cap is too loose, this one's a great choice. I will also say that the colors are a little bit more vibrant. So let me go ahead and dip my head in the sunshine so I can show you what I mean. The TressAllure brand has very saturated colors, which are very, very rich, look very beautiful, look like you just had them dyed at the salon. Beautiful colors. So even though this one is similar to the color I mentioned earlier, it's a little bit more rich. It's got a little bit more going on. Very, very pretty color. So this English THL, it's kind of like a medium brown, medium dark brown, somewhere in that vicinity, with a dark brown root, and it's got light coppery brown highlights in addition to these bold light gold blonde highlights. Very, very pretty color. Looks great on Brianna because it's got all this texture. I think that in general this wig lays a little bit better than the wig I mentioned from the other brand earlier. I think this one is a little bit easier to pull off. The cap is tighter. That's the only downside. The cap on this one is quite tight on me, but if you have a true average cap size, or you're on the average petite side, this one will fit very nicely. I don't think I'm going to wear this one for too long because I don't want to stretch out the cap, but I do want to show you what it looks like. So let me go ahead and do my 360. Lots of texture, easy to wear shake and go wig. Very, very easy to wear, super, super cute. I think this style is a winner. I think it's adorable. So let me go ahead and give you some specs. So the product weight is only 2.4 ounces, so it's a very lightweight wig. The bang is a very beautiful length, easy to wear bang, 3.25 inches, won't get in your eyes, fabulous length. The crown is 4.4 inches, so it's very, very heavily layered back here. The nape is 2.6 inches, which is short, but should give you plenty of coverage in the back. And I'm going to go ahead and take the cap off now so I can show you the construction. This one has a lot of permatease, but because it's rooted, it's a little bit obscured, which is nice. Also helps make the color a little bit more dynamic. Look at all that texture with all that highlighting. It just goes so beautifully with this wig. That's this English THL color. Beautiful color. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of felt right here at the front hairline. This whole front area is heavily permateased. This whole area is permateased. The cap does not stretch particularly well, as I mentioned earlier. It's adjustable, kind of like a bra strap is. The nape is not necessarily extended, but it's a little bit bigger than average, and it has a nice amount of felt here that's quite comfortable. This wig is very easy. It's literally, you shake it, and you can shake it pretty vigorously, and then you put it on your head. And then you futz with it for a second, and she's ready to go. So this is the adorable Brianna wig by TressAllure in the color English THL. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's Cyster with a C-Y-S-T-E-R as in polycystic ovary syndrome, get it? And so, you know, though you don't have to have PCOS in order for me to help you out. I mean, I'm here for my sisters and my other sisters. So until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.